Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair any Trocar with a broken hub. For the first step, get a small piece of sandpaper and use it to scrape the grooved end of the tube. Try to clean it off as best you can and score the surface. Make sure that you also clean the grooves out as well, because sometimes there can be residue that gets stuck inside of there. So just take the piece of sandpaper and slide it in between the grooves to remove the rest of that. Use the sandpaper on the interior of the small hub as well. You also might want to use a paper towel to clean out the interior of the hub. After the sanding, take some rubbing alcohol and apply it to a paper towel. Then clean off the grooved end of your tube, as well as the interior of the hub. The next step is going to be mixing up the epoxy. For this, you're going to want a pair of gloves, a mixing surface, a mixing implement, and your epoxy. This is the kind we use, but any general epoxy that you can buy at Home Depot or Walmart or something like that will work just fine. Make sure you follow the instructions on whichever epoxy you get, but generally it's an equal portion of both sides, and you mix it for about a minute. You don't really need a whole lot for what we're doing here. Now take your epoxy and apply a very small amount to the interior of this hub. And then take your tube and you can apply a larger amount to this. You just want to make sure that you don't get it inside the actual tube. And then put the pieces together and let it set. You should wait about 24 hours before using it again. And keep some of your leftover epoxy just to make sure that it hardens up okay. And after a few hours, come and test it and make sure it's completely hard. And if it is, then you'll know that your epoxy that you put on the tube and in the hub will be bonded. You also want to make sure that you wipe off any excess carefully so you don't remove the hub. For more information on our products and where to order, visit embalminginstrument.com.